What is going on, guys? Welcome to Thursday. It is January 25th. Welcome to another night of Ryan's Radar Free Analysis. Last or this morning was pretty good for the euro. I almost was hesitant to get in it, but I actually took this for a sell down to the 1 hour demand. It came up, respected the 1 hour demand or supply and the 15-minute supplies from last night that we drew up. And then I was hesitant to get into it in it during the news event that happened this morning. And then after that event, it kind of threw an engulfing candle down, and I got in ready to sell right here, and I took it down for what, 30 pips, 32 pips. So it was a good setup, and it made its move pretty fast. Within an hour and a half, I was in hit my take profit. So that was a good night, really good day. And I got in on NU and AU, but that's for the elite group. So I think what we're going to be looking for tonight, it's overall still bearish, right? Keep that bearishness in mind, but take it with a grain of salt. There is news tomorrow. We could see price shoot up a little bit. I am liking the fact that we are underneath this 50 EMA. We did have a nice engulfing candle down, and it's just giving me the telltale signs that it's going to push down towards this 4 hour demand, meeting up with that 200 moving average. Um, but ultimately, in order for us to get the best position on this, we need to see price push up, right? So that's what you're going to be doing. You're waiting for price to give you that push up. It's too low already. You don't want to do that. Rule of thumb for those of you that are paying attention, please, please, please make this fucking hardcore rule for you. You only trade when the market hits the zones. If it does not touch the zones, you're not trading. So what are we looking at right now? Nothing, because it's not touching anything. So don't touch it. And another rule of thumb, you do not buy in supply and you do not sell in demand. You sell in supply and you buy in demand, right? So if you catch yourself up here and you're like, oh, I gotta buy it, I gotta buy it, you're fooling yourself. One day you might get it right. It might break out, but I promise you, over time, you will lose and you will start having second thoughts and you will doubt yourself. Just do yourself a favor, only sell in supply and buy in demand, and wait for price to hit the actual zones. So with that being said, wait for price to push up, and then we got to look for sells. GBPUSD, a lot of back and forth, right? A lot of going in and out of the supply and demands, and this is the same exact thing. I'd say we'd be still on like an upward slant from here to here. It's like a slightly bullish channel, but I still believe we could see some bearishness. So my thing is I want to wait for price to shoot up. There is no other supply demands that were created during yesterday because of how the news went, right? Price kind of just came in and ruined it during that New York session news. But and then we have like price down here, but it's too soon. I need to see fresh supply and demand be formed during Asian and London going into New York for me to be comfortable. So what I told the elite group was that don't even bother with this pair yet. I think there's actually news popping up in. Oh, it already happened. Okay, so it happened 4 minutes ago. Did anything happen? Nothing. Okay, so my advice is wait for price to shoot up. We do have a 5 minute supply here, but I truly believe it's going to get broken. It's right in the middle, so I'll just keep it there for purposes of just seeing it visually. But ultimately, I think it's best to wait for price to shoot up, make a new supply, and then if it does make a move, we can take that sell. If not, then this will most likely be a pair I won't trade. But the other pairs like AU, NU, and EU all look good. But if you want to be a part of that, guys, I'm giving out a 2 week free trial to the elite chat, to the elite analysis. So you will get access to the full content, all the pairs. And if you guys have questions, you can ask. And if you want me to go over another pair, I can also do that as well. I'm here to help you and give you some clarity so that you can have more confidence in yourself and take a trade. So go and sign up for that. There's a free link in the description. And I will see you guys on the inside. So everyone here have a great night, and I'll see you next week. Peace.